Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody had a fantastic holiday, Christmas, however you celebrate. I took off a couple of weeks of videos because, my time is limited and I had to get my shopping and all of my holiday stuff done. So I just didn't have time to sit and film and edit. So I took a couple of weeks off. I hope everybody can understand that I needed just a little bit of time. Other than that, I'm perfectly fine. But what I'm bringing you today, it's a little bit late in the month for it, but it's still fine. But today we are going to unbag the December FaceTory. If of course you're unfamiliar, FaceTory is a mask monthly subscription service. There are 3 different tiers of FaceTory services that you can get each month. This one we have here is called the Forever Fresh Kit, contains 4 sheet masks. I absolutely love FaceTory. I always sing their praises. They just send such amazing products, and so, I love to pamper. I don't always have time to pamper, but I try to find time to pamper. But this is just a phenomenal subscription. Again, not sponsored, no discount codes or anything else like that, but I will leave all the links down below so that you can choose the FaceTory that you might be interested in and give this one a try. Usually how I start off is I go over the masks I used the month previous, then I dip into what we have this month. I'm kind of out of sorts, so I'm not sure which masks I got finished. But any masks that I wore, I did post to Instagram, so they're over there. I'll try to be a little bit more diligent with this each month so that we can keep you updated. But without any further ado, let's unbag this. So the first time in a long time they didn't send a postcard this month. Probably trying to cut down on costs and waste and things like that. And I completely would understand that, but it was a really cute little treat. But in here you do have your info card that's going to give you all of the information on the masks that your kit contains. It also has the prices of each mask, and those will also be scrolling on the bottom of the screen. So let's go. So first coming up is coming from FaceTory's in-house brand. This one is called the Everyday Rice Bran Soothing Mask. Ooh. A gentle and plant-based sheet mask that provides deeply hydrating and rejuvenating properties for the skin. Next one is coming to us from Yerma, and this is the Q10 Collagen Essence Mask. A hydrating and nutrient-rich sheet mask that leaves the skin looking supple and radiant. Next one coming to us here, this is coming from Balloon Blank. This is called the Blank Therapy Tea Tree Mask. I love tea tree masks. These are so good, especially if you're fighting like some skin conditions, like maybe you have like some acne going on or something like that. Tea tree is always so good for that. A skin healing and hydrating sheet mask that delivers spa-like vibes while it soothes acne and skin irritation. This one coming to us is from Jant Blank. The other one was just from Blank. This one is from Jant Blank. This is the Cucumber Essential Sheet Mask. A calming sheet mask that relaxes the skin while strengthening the skin barrier. And so that's it. That's everything that came in the FaceTory Forever Fresh Kit this month. It said that this month they were trying to focus on calm and calming the skin and just being everything, just kind of being calm and peaceful. And I'm telling you what, you look at these sheet mask packets, and I mean, they're all white except for this one's got some little pastel hues on it. But doesn't it just make you feel calm? All the artwork on it is very simple. I love that. I totally am getting a calm and relaxed vibe from this. I'm really going to enjoy, I think, putting these to the test. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And of course, as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.